with a new video to give some brief idea about the laboratories, that is operational amplifier and linear integrated lab. Okay, so as per the university, you have to some of the experiments you have to simulate on the simulation package also. Okay, one of the package is electric circuit studio. This is available both for Android mobiles as well as it is available in your desktop as a software also. Okay, so one more advantage of this software is to you can have you can rig up the circuit using this application at the same time. So once you come back to college, the same circuit which you drawn using this applications, you can use it in our laptops or your PCs. Okay, that is the beauty of this particular applications. In this particular electric circuit studio is the name of the applications which you can download from the Google Play Store. Okay, it will take around 16 to 17 MB of its space. Okay, all the electric circuit applications can be done using this particular app. Okay, is that clear? So that is about the application. Okay, now we have to have some of the commands before starting with the rigging up of the circuits. Okay, so these are the various shortcuts, various components which is required for rigging up our circuits. Okay, various components starting from ground to we have SCRs, MOSFET, IGBTs, logic gates. Also we have flip-flops, we have 555 timers and regulator ICs. Various components we have here in this particular applications. These are the components bar which is at the bottom of the your screen. Okay, in the top of the screen also we have some shortcuts. Okay, so this is for setting the different values of the components. This is to view it, it is to run and stop, it is to delete, it is to rotate. Okay, it is to flip the circuit, it is to undo, redo, and to bring the circuit to front, to bring the circuit to back, cut, copy, paste. Okay, and zooming applications, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, this is your workspace or working area where you have to draw the circuits here. Okay, so this is about the commands here. Okay, now out of 12 experiments, any of the few of the experiments which you feel easy, you just go for the simulation using this particular package. Right now I will give you one circuit, how to rig up the circuit and how to extract the output voltage. So I will be taking the inverting amplifier. Okay, I will be taking the operation of the inverting amplifier circuit. I will be rigging up with that circuit and show you the how to input the values and how to get the readings. Okay, so for inverting amplifiers I want the amplifier. So just search here. Okay, here it is a amplifier. Okay, so amplifier is there. You can just zoom it whatever the convenient value. So and I want two resistances R1. So this is your R1 resistance, right? So R1 which you connect to your non-inverting point. So for the circuit you just refer to the manual which I have given already, right? So R2 resistance is required and I want the AC signal generator. So I have to give the AC signal generator to the input of the inverting terminal, right? At the same time I require the ground and I have to ground the non-inverting terminal here. So non-inverting terminal is grounded. Okay, so also your input signal is also should be grounded, right? This resistance I have to connect. Here is a wire. Okay, choose the wire. Okay, press on the point where you have to connect. Sorry, right? So this is the wires. So press here and I have to connect to here. So one more time you take a wire, press here, I have to connect to here. Right now your circuit is ready. So I have to input the values. This is your inverting operational amplifier circuit. Okay, now I have to give the input to the circuit as per our design. So design is already given in your manual. For design as well as for the circuit, you just refer to the manual which is already circulated, which is already given. Okay, so as per the design, so R1 value is 1K, so it is already there, no problem. So R2 value is 10K. So for choosing of 10K, click on the R2 and then go to setting here. Okay, then resistance. Okay, then tab to change. So go to this and then it is 10k is the designed value, 10 kilo ohm set. Okay, so the resistance value is set now. R1 is 1 kilo ohm, R2 is 10 kilo ohm. Okay, now so you have to set the supply requirements of the operational amplifier. So for that, click on the op amp. Okay, then once again go to setting, so supply voltage. So here click on this tab to change. So it is 12 volts positive. Once again click on the setting, one more time click on the setting, negative supply, click here, and minus 12, click here. Okay, this is I have applied the supply requirements of op amp. Okay, now I have to give the input supply. So input supply setting, okay, amplitude, it is 1 volts. Yes, fine, 1 volts is sufficient. Okay, I am giving 1 volts of input supply, and at the same time I am giving the your frequency also to 1 kilohertz. 1 kilohertz of frequency set here and set here, and okay. So I have set the input voltage, resistance, and the supply requirements of ICs. Okay, this now your circuit is completely ready. But the thing is, we have to see the output voltage and input voltage waveforms and other things. So to see that waveforms, you have to have some of the settings. So here at the input point, there is a volt here. You have to click on the volt, so red highlighted red portion, then go to setting. Okay, show plot, click on the show plot, and also show value, then hide it. Okay, so you have to check the output. So once again click on the op amp, so volt here, red point, then go to setting, show plot, show value, hide it. Okay, so after hiding this, your circuit is completely ready for the execution. Okay, then go to run and show. So here the voltage is coming, you just save it, exit. Once again, if you want to that circuit, you go and open circuit. Okay, open the your amplifier which you drawn, then go for run button, you will get the value. Okay, now you are getting pure sinusoidal voltage. So input is sine wave, output is also sine wave. So for different value of your input, your output is changing. Observe here and here. So green is input and red is output. So for a different value, so see here at the circuit diagram, so minus 0.8 volt is the input and the output is 8.2 we are getting. Okay, just run it one more time. So I say pause it at the different value. So 1 volts is the input, output is 10 volts. Okay, so that is the difference here. That means it is a inverting operational amplifier. Okay, so at the same time it is inverting the signal and also amplifying the signal. Just press it run button and show it. So you can see the variation of the voltage with respect to output voltage with respect to the input signal. So green is a input, red is the output. So you are giving a sine wave, you will be getting the inverted sine wave with the different values. The variation of the input and output you can observe in the circuit where I have given the indicators. Okay, so this is how we have to perform the experiments on the operational amplifiers using this particular experiments. Okay, so you can choose any of the 6 experiments of your wish. Okay, and perform the simulation using this particular package in your mobile itself. Once you come to college, the circuits which you performed here, same thing you can dump it into our PCs, and you can get the printouts of the results. Okay, so if you get any doubts in between while doing this particular expression, while doing this particular procedure, you can feel free to contact me any time. Okay, thank you.